of a sudden. Unexpectedly, without warning. Example: I was walking down the street when, all of a sudden, it started to rain heavily. Keep in mind. To remember something, to be aware of something. Example: keep in mind that the store closes at 6 p.m., so we need to leave early. Keep an eye on. To watch or monitor someone or something carefully. Example: can you keep an eye on the baby while I prepare dinner? Day in, day out. Continuously or repeatedly over a long period. Example: she works at the factory day in, day out, without any breaks. Have a word with. To talk to someone briefly, often in private. Example: I need to have a word with my boss about the new project. Safe and sound. Free from danger or injury, unharmed. Example: after a long journey, they arrived home safe and sound. At a glance. With a quick look, immediately. Example: you can tell at a glance that he is not happy with the news. From scratch. Starting from the very beginning without any prior preparation or advantage. Example: she built her business from scratch, with no help from anyone. Over and over. Repeatedly, many times. Example: the teacher explained the concept over and over until everyone understood. Off and on. Occasionally, not continuously. Example: I've been practicing the piano off and on for the last few years. From head to toe. Completely, over the entire body. Example: she was dressed in black from head to toe for the funeral. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.